So a couple snacks to begin your evening with us. So in front of each of you is a cornet. The majority of the table is filled with salmon mousse, topped with cream cheese and everything bagel crumble. And for you, miss, yours is filled with a dill and creme fraiche topped with carrots from the garden, which is right across the street. And here, we have cheese and crackers with aged cabbage cheddar and crispy shallots.
Perfect. Thank you.
I feel like I was shocked at everything you said.
Yeah. So like for every course they're gonna bring it to you and then they're gonna introduce it to you as to what's in there. And then go ahead.
Would you like a picture of mine?
I'm actually video recording. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Done it before and after?
No, go for it. Go.
Madam, for yourself, this is whipped tofu for you, with reeds over caviar, table oysters and pearls with Bonapocha iron Greek oysters, and a savion of pearl tapioca and chives for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
First taste of caviar.
Go for it.
Use special, so it's a light coffee sauce.
Thank you. Look at this guy.
Can you eat once more with this? Like, this is the best thing.
I'm going to use custard with a light coffee sauce.
Perfect. Thank you.
This is it, Victor. This is what you wanted.
Yeah. What is it? Marlboro infused coffee custard. It's a special thing that I ordered.
So this is a potato salad with garden radishes, and sweet corn, and mustard vinaigrette.
I saw how excited I was. I was like, I think I need to stop being so expressive.
Well, welcome to the world of fine dining.
I think I need like a stolen phase.
Just wait.
This is a bitter cocoa brioche to go with the salad.
Perfect. Thank you.
I need to stop being so excited.
Don't feel bad.
Thank you.
It's nice to have you.
I mean, when's the next time we're all going to be together, right?
Thank you.
So this is the Japanese food sashimi. It's got a green tomato vinaigrette, garden cucumbers, and for most of the table, an avocado mousse, and you even have avocado pieces for no nuts.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is what you wanted us to try?
No. But it's coming.
So this is Alaskan craft raviolo with Romano beans and a brandy wine cream sauce. And then this is Japanese kielbasa with fennel gas street, petite lettuces from the garden, and ruby beans.
Yeah, just look at that.
Right? No. Just to scoop up the soup. Yeah. Use the knife and fork to cut
I
it.
was just gonna pick up the phone and just.
This is the bread and butter course. So right in front of you, you've got the tomato English muffin from Bouchon Bakery just down the street. And in the center to share is burrata butter.
Oh, burrata.
Because of my facial expressions. All of their like plates and stuff is so heavy.
I think they had these same dishes at Camel's, didn't they?
They had a similar one, but it was like more of a bubble, and it kept my the ravioli like.
Yeah, you're right. Thank you. Got a little excited there, didn't you?
Here we go. We're gonna shave some truffle for you. Which is from Australia.
Nice. Australian black truffle. It's the mac and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano. And black truffle.
Don't worry, the whole thing's not gonna go in there. Unless you really like cheese. I mean, this one's good.
And Matthew has for you Parmigiano Reggiano cheese.
You're warming up?
Yes, that's fantastic.
Great.
You ready for this, sir?
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm sorry?
Do you have fun creating the show?
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of, you have to, it's a pleasure to do it. A lot of restaurants, they can't do it. Because the truffle is a luxury ingredient. So a lot of restaurants have a small truffle. So we have a larger size of truffle. So it's easy to do it.
It's amazing.
Yeah. So, but yes, to answer your question, we have a lot of fun too. Everything good so far?
Splendid. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, the Wagyu from Miyazaki. It's done with horseradish steak sauce. And then you have a dry aged beef fat, pan Purdue, demi-sec grapes.
Perfect. Thank you.
My pleasure.
You have to wait for it.
Oh, damn it.
You can see the.
You can smell it.
You can see the fat. All right, Nubby. Take a slice.
I literally can't cry.
You should cut it in the middle and then cut a piece, smaller piece in the middle. Cut a smaller piece in the middle.
Up the middle?
No, don't do it from the edge. There you go. That piece should be sufficient. Get a little bit of sauce on there.
So good.
All right, Andy. Andy's first time trying Wagyu beef. Savor it.
It's so hard.
Wow.
Right?
it's amazing. Alright, now try some with the sauce.
Oh, please.
I would like that. Wait, what's this part?
It's a potato. Steak and potatoes. Yeah.
Try that part. Try that part.
That is the best steak I've ever eaten.
No. Try that part. This is literally the best thing I've ever eaten. Sorry? This is probably the best potato I've ever had.
The potato?
Potato! You can't tell, right?
No, you can't.
Thank you. So this is a little bit of cheese before dessert. This is a gougère, sort of the puff, or it's a French puff pastry with a goat's milk cheese inside called a tube from a Dante Dairy right in Sonoma. And there's a fondue of winter truffle underneath. After you, of course, we've left that. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I was gonna go. No trouble for you.
Yeah, this is one of their signature dishes. It's been on the menu forever. Time to dig in.
Oh, that crunch. I mean, sorry, I can't contain my excitement.
Yeah. I believe after this one will be dessert.
This is a little rich though. I don't know if I can do it. A little rich.
Or those houndstooth plates. I love them.
Can I have the whole pot?
Oh, funnel it.
I'll just drink it straight from
Worse.
This smells amazing. I will never go back to Starbucks. Can't go back to my life before. I like how the little like here.
I like the little top, the part that moves.
The little.
Yes. It draws my eyes.
Everything draws my eyes.
Alright, what were your names?
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wait, another
You take as many from like yourself, straight mint chocolate, peanut butter and jelly, hazelnut, s'mores,
Just one more just for
salted caramel.
Thank you.
What is this?
That's another ice cream. That'll be all around the table.
It's a very popular one.
So overwhelmed. And it's just desserts.
Calories.
Well, go ahead and explain your ice creams by your spoon. That's Diane Sinclair's Animal Farm Butter Ice Cream with angel biscuit and honey. Then you've got your vanilla Swiss roll with marzipan from the garden and whipped mascarpone. Then above that, you've got the chocolate pot de creme with toasted Swiss meringue, hazelnut praline, and crispy creatine. And then you've got next to that the cappuccino semi-fritos. That will go with the warm cinnamon sugar brioche donuts right in the center there. And then finally your mignardies, which are butterscotch caramels, chocolate macadamia nuts, and honey macarons.
I know you're like hamming for that hazelnut.
I'm having for
That one's this one.
Yeah, I'm having for this
I don't think I have that on my side.
Should I go to the bathroom and make room for this?
No, you're fine.
Kind of need to, but also like...
Like, you got enough desserts?
I know you love ice cream.
I love ice cream.
Before they go crazy, they go missing.
I love that pink splattered one.
Okay, so which flavor's which?
Right. Mint chocolate, peanut butter and jelly, hazelnut praline, s'mores, white chocolate passion fruit with matcha, salted caramel, pistachio, and dark chocolate ganache.
Ooh.
The one that you're going to probably want to go for is
Yeah,
the
I'll-
white chocolate passion fruit, so go ahead, you can
Yes.
take all three if you would like to.
Oh no, I'm just gonna take one. I'm already struggling.
You can serve her first.
Perfect.
Would you say this one was again?
That's pistachio.
So this one was hazelnut. Yeah?
Yes.
One of these.
My pleasure.
I think this one was.
Caramel? It's gonna be salted caramel right there. Oil.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
What? Is it wrong if I ask for one of each?
No.
All right, I'll have one of each then.
You may go ahead.
Thank you very much.
The whole thing went with you have one, right?
Of course.
Alright, thank you.
You don't know how many people like put down. Just you can just put down the box. The amount of people that say that, I could own the French laundry by now by $1 time. And everyone's like, I thought I was being creative, and I'm like, everyone says that.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Oh my god.
My God.